How to set up TFTP server in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to download the setup file of TFTPD64. Once the .exe setup file has been installed, double click on it and this prompt will appear. In the first page, simply provide the address where you want to download the setup file. Click on Next. Now in Start Service, choose the option of TFTP Server, and here you simply need to see in Advanced option which of the feature do you want. Choose according to your desire and click on OK. Once downloaded, you simply need to enable it in your device. For that, open command prompt and type tftp.exe, and then after it will be enabled. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.